What's up, guys? So I've been seeing a lot of the bottle cap challenge videos. All right, fun, cool ways, I guess, to open a bottle. So I'm going to show you something I've done for years. All right, it's really simple. Take an empty water bottle, preferably something super cheap like this Big Win, I think from Walmart. Anyway, so you take your bottle cap, all right, and you squeeze the bottle a little bit so that you put it on just enough threads so that you can build up pressure. So when I squeeze this, it's not going to actually fall off. All you have to do is take your other hand, do a snapping motion. All right, when you snap, your middle fingers are going to hit the ends and spin it off, but because you're building up pressure, it's going to go shooting. All right, just like that. Really simple way to do it. But that doesn't seem cool enough, right? So being that I'm the knife guy, I'm going to use a flipper here to open it instead. So same concept, only I'm going to use the back of the blade here as I flip it open. All right, the back of the blade is going to hit the edge of the bottle as I'm squeezing, building up pressure. And there you go. Much cooler way to open a bottle. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.